English. What are we doing?
We're learning how to speak Japanese with me.
Okay.
Okay. Repeat after me, Ruka-san. Watashi wa meguri. No, you repeat again. Meguri. No laugh, you're no laugh. You're beyond professional. Meguri. No. Meguri. No. You get that right or you don't eat. Meguri. No more filling up for you. Meguri. Ne. Ruka. There you go. You finished. Okay. Mission accomplished.
More like finished. Like
Coffee.
We're gonna go find soda.
Are we gonna find soda?
Maybe I saw near. Near with a jacket. Are you recording?
Yeah. Not as crowded. You can see more in here today.
I love it. For kid, we'd have to go kiddo. I don't think.
Yeah, well,
He's always disappointed.
I don't think we've seen any of those.
No one ever calls me kiddo.
There are a ton of them on DA, but I've never, I've only seen a few. I've seen a few, but they kind of suck usually.
Did you see Luca? Look. They have a Mario Yoshi too.
Oh yeah.
That's so weird. They have the twins and Luca, but no. That's a really good deal. Name.
I never have to have it though.
Gaku.
Yes.
Do you have any Death the Kid plushies? Okay, that's alright.
Whoa.
Oh my god, look at all the Pokemon.
Next year we're totally deeming my brother our photographer, so he's going to come to every convention as like the videographer.
Videographer?
Yeah.
Oh, now I want a little mini Zero from I don't have any money. I need money. What time is it? It's after 12.
I don't know. It's a smiley face.
You made a funny.
Funny. I made a funny even though I feel like crap today. It's lovely.
You made a funny. I want a mocha pillow so I can lay on it all day.
Oh my. Sebastian is really, really sexy in that one. You can't tell because it's all wrinkly because it's in packaging. Other wall scrolls.
That's an assumption that I'm actually going to go out and complain about it.
And then just to get a black star randomly in the background. No, right?
But if I was playing with the lasers,
I love myself, except for my hair is unsymmetrical.
Oh, I love you too, Jeff.
Ha ha ha.
you guys, I think I feel like
Like, seriously, I see Death the Kid and I think I'd wreck that chick.
That's not chick.
Yes.
Where? What?
It's calling my name. Yeah, it's
every new
me
anime
bleeding on the ground, clutching a white feather. So what? That's my life, man.
Every convention.
I'm always bleeding on the ground, looking sexy. It always happens. Whoa. Oh God, I gotta crack my back. By me, I refer to my back.
Would you like to be her?
Would I like to be who?
I'd rather you be somebody.
Oh, I would like to be a naked green hair chick. Man, I get you maybe bougie up against the bush. Yay! That would be me. I want to cosplay
To go in here.
Look, look. Oh, you want to see the really, really creepy one? Here. Look at that one.
I know you did.
Got a butt.
No, I like this one though.
Oh, I know. I mean, he's all made up and that makes me sad, but
See, if you just cut this out and have that, it's Sebastian.
I have that poster.
That one's cool. Okay, where's that other one that There's that one in massive form.
It looks so awkward.
Let's see. Ooh.
Sexiness.
What else is there?
Sexiness.
What else is there? Let's see. Keep going.
I like Grell though.
I like Grell, but
Grell is cool. It's like Ciel and Ash and Grell.
dude, a soul one with like everyone in it.
Woo, casual.
Just the kid drinking Starbucks. Yeah, it's
Death Bucks. That's so
We
awesome.
need to get you a Death Bucks cup.
Yup.
Isn't that cute? Oh look, it's us. We're so big.
They're dancing. They're
And then there's
dancing.
that one. And look, it's all of us. Almost all of us. We just have to add the weapons.
Yeah, the only weapon on there is soul.
Yeah. Let's see what else is there. Oh my god. I love them. Pollock. Giant Kaname.
But he's in that pose where he looks to. Actually, he doesn't look as sweetsy as he did in the old one.
Giant Zero. Screw her.
Yeah.
Oh, here's the picture we tried to do in cosplay.
I love that picture so much.
Nice photo. Nice face. It actually ended up really good. But the thing is, my cosplay picture of that ended up looking good.
I know it did.
It's not the same thing exact, but it.
So right now we're gonna put in Tasha's version of this.
Yeah. My nose is a little big, but whatever.
Oh God, would you stop complaining about your nose?
Pig nose. I'm sorry.
Okay, what else are we doing now? So I'm gonna record now.
We're gonna go find Mako and Luca.
Okay, we're going. We're going. We're gonna get there. Oh my God! Look at those freaking curls bouncing like crazy. Okay, where are we going?
Right here.
Okay, they're looking at wigs. At the Chrono wig.
Can I take a picture?
Oh,
sure.
Hey, you want to take a camera?
No, because I'm buying a wig. Yes, please. Okay.
Hey, Luca.
What?
You want to take a camera?
No. You're stuck with it.
But.
Thank you.
Dude, it's money.
I know it's money.
Wigs. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off now.